Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Somebody lost a huge bale of straw. I'm taking. That's too heavy. Look at there. So, what we have here is a perfect opportunity. We couldn't get compost from the city because they shut that down. Here in Lower Michigan's shut down. Except for me, I work every day still. But I got compost for free. I don't know if you should say it was worth the wait. So I pulled out of the superstores up here. So I come down this road and there was a cop blocking it and a big front end loader pushed it all off to the side. So I went down to the next exit and came back. The van is full. That's my pickup. So I'm gonna get some more. Take a perfect opportunity, get free compost, and I'll have to come back tomorrow, maybe tonight again. But I need compost. The garden is gonna be 4 times bigger this year. Swear to God. I am now over 30 trays. What did not grow in those trays, I'm going to replant. And we're going to have a successful garden this year. And with that in mind, you have a nice Solar Homestead Compost Day.